This was an idea, a real sort of partnership opportunity with Jaguar Land Rover Academy and with Mission Motorsport, the charity that we work with. And between us, we selected a number of people for this course, which took place at the Academy over a 3-week period where they were updated in terms of skills, and then they've been deployed out.
I served in the Royal Welsh for 7 years. One of my roles was being a driver, maintenance on the vehicles in the sheds.
So I joined the Army in 2013 as a vehicle mechanic.
I served in the 1st Queen's Green Guards for 7 years. I left earlier this year to try and pursue something new.
Jaguar Land Rover approached me through a civilian contracted company that worked with the Army.
The reason I applied for the role was because I knew Jaguar Land Rover had a strong connection with the military.
I started my Army career in 2012 and I became a qualified vehicle mechanic in 2013. Of course, it's been enjoyable. It's been a steep learning curve.
The Jaguar Land Rover Academy course really helped with a lot of the computer side of life, all the paperwork, and familiarising myself with the equipment and vehicles.
The benefits of completing this course in a consolidated 3-week period are that we are providing the network with candidates who have achieved their Level 2 certification, so they are ready to go straight into the network and earning revenue for their retailers.
Who's gone through the programme, they start as a Level 2 technician. For ourselves to actually employ someone to start with, that could take us a year to get that person through that programme.
Yeah, they certainly fit into the team. They're used to being part of a team and interacting with team.
They're very focused, very structured from the environment that they come from.
The discipline that you acquire when you're in the military has really helped me with my civilian position now. It's a hell of a lot different from what I used to do in the Army. I've gone from using a sledgehammer on tanks to using laptops on cars.
JLR have really helped me move from military life straight into civilian life, hit the ground running.
You know, we do need more technicians to come and work, and this is a great source.
There's just been nothing but positives from the whole outcome from the start.
I'd say, you know, really take hold of the opportunity that presents itself there with this initiative, and because you will get some really valuable employees.
I would definitely recommend it. The training's been second to none and I'm thoroughly enjoying myself.
I think this would be a great opportunity for anybody leaving the forces.
I think it just shows that massively that Jaguar Land Rover do care about their soldiers and the transition from a soldier life to become a civilian again.
Personally, I believe the programme has been a huge success. I think it will generate huge benefits in the future for Jaguar Land Rover as a manufacturer, for our retail network and for the individuals.